everyone, welcome back to Nisi Custom. Today we're going to be unboxing a Cricut mug press that I got for my anniversary gift. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unwrap it. I'm excited about this. Okay. Comes with, this is in the top, it comes with Open Me. And let me see what it got on the end there. Let's get started. I have to set up my activation. Activate your product on the Cricut, and it shows you get to know your Cricut mug press and always handle with care. Then it got before you make, learn more, and the little warranty card. Okay, and we're going to take it out the box. Oh boy. See what else I got here. The cord. Okay, that's it. I'm going to show you that. Okay. We got the Cricut mug press, the power cord, and the, I guess, to plug it up in your computer and download the updates. First we have to take the plastic off. We're going to do that. Okay, what I did. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and plug it up. Plug this bad boy up right here and see what we got. Oh, and the power cord is in the back. You plug it up, 3 prongs, you just push it in. Simple and easy, just like that. Okay. And it comes with this protected thing on the plug. And we want to plug it up. Okay, and it has these lights on the top. Let me hit the power button. Okay, before I get started, I have to activate my product now. So let me go and activate this right here, and I'll be back. Okay, after unboxing my mug press, I had to come here and put in Cricut.com/setup, and once it got set up, I had to come here Well, I had to install it, and I had to come here, and I had to select. Okay, I'm not a Cricut girl. I don't have the design studio, but I had to download it because I'm a silhouette. I'm a silhouette person. So let me see. Let me see what I'm doing here. Hold on. Okay. I'm hitting. Something's in the blue. Okay, I can see. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Okay. So machine. It's none of these. I'm gonna just click that. Let me see what happens. Um, okay. It said that I had to. Okay, new machine setup. I'm gonna hit press. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. I got it. Cricut Mug press. I already did all that. I got that now. I got it plugged into my computer. Okay, I hit continue. Okay, it's doing updates. You hear that beeping? That means it's ready. It's getting ready. Okay, it's doing the updates. That's it. Or I can disconnect this and hit get started. Okay, that was it. Okay, I'm back. We got that taken care of. Now we're going to turn it back on. I don't know if you can see that or not. I got so much lights on. Let me turn that off. Turn that back on. See the light? So, oh, it's getting hot. It is getting hot. So I'm going to get my mug. I already got my image print out. Cut it out. Let me go ahead and put the paper on. Get my heat. Let me see. Get my heat tape. Cut this off a little bit. Oh, I'm just cutting the edge off a little bit. Okay, so you have to you have to pull this up to open it up. Then you just set the mug down in there. Oh, then you push this back down. Then you hit. Oh, I just cut it off. Oh, what I did wrong. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm still with this mug press. I'm still trying to figure it out. I don't know if the lights up top supposed to flash or I don't know. We're just gonna see what happens. Cause it don't have no timer or nothing. I guess it's when it's finished, it'll just beep a couple of times and like shut off. But we will see. Cause it really don't have no kind of instructions or nothing with it. Okay. Okay, the power button. The progress lights. These right here are the progress lights. Oh, I see now. The red means, the orange reddish means warm it up, and the green means is ready. So I jumped the gun on that one. Let me see. I hope it didn't. Well, it did something. Let's check it out. See, look what I did. I took it out too soon. Now I gotta get another mug and print out another design. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So this what happened. When I was printing out my image, the mug press beeped, beep, and the light turned green. So all that time it was just warming up. The next time I read the instructions that comes with it so I can get a better understanding of it. I'm always like that. I'm always jumping the gun. So we're going to try this one more time. And cut my image off. Please, y'all, don't laugh at me too much. That's me, always jumping the gun. My husband tells me that all the time. But we got it. We gonna get it together. Okay. I'm gonna cut this down some. That is too big. Okay. Okay. Get our heat tape. And we're going to do this one more time. Put the mug down in here. And close it down. Now the lights is lighting up. The dots, the progress lights. And it's flashing. And it's counting down. And I should have waited on it in the beginning. Okay. It's done. So we're gonna lift that up. Hold up, let me get that. Get that pad, Cricut pad. I know one thing, I'm getting some more heat press tape, because this tape right here is ridiculous. It always leaves okay. So this how it turns out. It looks pretty. The color is popping. Let me get my picture in here. The color is popping. You know that Cosmo's ink. Cosmo ink always comes in. It's good. It's real good. Okay. It did a real good job. A real good job. I like this mug press. But I'm going to see. I'm going to put, let me turn this thing back around. I'm going to put a 20-ounce mug tumbler in there, and I'm going to see, and I'm going to do my 12-ounce sublimation cans and see how it turns out. So I'm excited by that. But here go, the Cricut mug press. I love it. But baby, I still love you over there in the corner. I'm always going to use you. You just got your little cousin over here, okay? Your little cousin over here. So you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to still use you. You know, you got to talk nice to him. You got to talk nice to electronics because you don't want it to die down on you. Okay. Okay. That's it for the tutorial. And the unboxing of my mug press. And I'll see you next week. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And God loves you, and I love you too. Peace.